Francisco Franco Bahamonde was a Spanish general who led the nationalist forces in overthrowing the Second Spanish Republic during the Spanish Civil War and thereafter ruled over Spain from 1939 to 1975 as a dictator, assuming the title Caudillo. This period in Spanish history, from the nationalist victory to Franco's death, is commonly known as Francoist Spain or the Francoist dictatorship. Born in Ferrol, Galicia, into an upper-class military family, Franco served in the Spanish army as a cadet in the Toledo Infantry Academy from 1907 to 1910. While serving in Morocco, he rose through the ranks to become brigadier general in 1926. Aged 33, becoming the youngest general in Spain. 2 years later Franco became the director of the General Military Academy in Zaragoza. As a conservative and monarchist, Franco regretted the abolition of the monarchy and the establishment of the Second Republic in 1931. He was devastated by the closing of his academy, but nevertheless continued his service in the Republican Army. His career redoubled after the right-wing CEDANPRR won the 1933 election, empowering him to lead the suppression of the 1934 uprising in Asturias. Franco was briefly elevated to Chief of Army Staff before the 1936 election moved the leftist Popular Front into power, relegating him to the Canary Islands. After initial reluctance, he joined the July 1936 military coup, which, after failing to take Spain, sparked the Spanish Civil War. During the war, he commanded Spain's colonial army in Africa and after the death of much of the rebel leadership, became his faction's only leader. Later appointed Generalissimo and head of state in 1936, he consolidated all nationalist parties into the Fety de las Jones. 3 years later the nationalists declared victory, which extended Franco's dictatorship over Spain. Through a period of repression of political opponents, his dictatorship's use of forced labor, concentration camps, and executions led to between 30,000 and 50,000 deaths. Combined with wartime killings, this brings the death toll of the White Terror to between 100,000 and 200,000. In post-Civil War Spain, Franco ruled with more power than any Spanish leader before or since, and developed a cult of personality around his rule by founding the Movimiento Nacional. During World War II he maintained Spanish neutrality but supported the Axis, whose members Italy and Germany had supported him during the Civil War, in various ways, damaging the country's international reputation. During the start of the Cold War, Franco lifted Spain out of its mid-20th century economic depression through technocratic and economically liberal policies, presiding over a period of rampant growth known as the Spanish Miracle. At the same time, his regime transitioned from being totalitarian to authoritarian with limited pluralism and became a leader in the anti-communist movement, garnering support from the West, particularly the United States. The dictatorship softened and Luis Carrero Blanco became Franco's eminence grise. Carrero Blanco's role expanded after Franco started struggling with Parkinson's disease in the 1960s. In 1973 Franco resigned as Prime Minister, separated from the head of state office since 1967, due to advanced age and illness, but remained in power as the latter and Commander-in-Chief. Franco died in 1975, aged 82, and was entombed in the Vale de los Caídos. He restored the monarchy in his final years, being succeeded by Juan Carlos as King of Spain, who, in turn, led the Spanish transition to democracy. The legacy of Franco in Spanish history remains controversial as the nature of his dictatorship changed over time. His reign was marked by both brutal repression, with thousands killed, and economic prosperity, which greatly improved the quality of life in Spain. His dictatorial style proved highly adaptable, which enabled wide-sweeping social and economic reform, while consistent pursuits during his reign centered on highly centralized government, authoritarianism, nationalism, national Catholicism, anti-Freemasonry and anti-communism. Francisco Franco Bahamonde was born on 4 December 1892 in the Cal Frutos Saavedra in the province of El Ferrol, Galicia. He was baptized 13 days later at the military church of San Francisco, with the baptismal name Francisco Paulino Hermenegildo Teodulo. Francisco for his paternal grandfather, Paulino for his godfather, Hermenegildo for his maternal grandmother and godmother, and Teodulo for the saint day of his birth. Franco was born into a seafaring family of Andalusian ancestry. After relocating to Galicia, the family was involved in the Spanish Navy, and over the span of 2 centuries produced naval officers for 6 uninterrupted generations, down to Franco's father Nicolas Franco y Salgado Arroyo. His mother, Maria del Pilar Bahamonde y Pardo de Andrade, was from an upper-middle-class Roman Catholic family. Her father, Ladislao Bahamonde Ortega, was Th.